Hello everyone. Today I will show you a complete guide on how to easily create a PayPal account with UK SIM in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. To get started with your PayPal account, follow these steps. First, provide your personal details. Enter your name, a valid email address, preferably a UK address, and create a strong password. Next, verify your email. PayPal will send you a verification email. Just check your inbox and follow the instructions to confirm your account. Then link a debit or credit card or your bank account to your PayPal account. This allows you to make and receive payments smoothly. You'll also need to verify your phone number. Enter your UK phone number to complete this part of the setup. Finally, verify your identity. PayPal may ask you to submit a copy of a government-issued ID and proof of address to confirm who you are. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be ready to use.